Smartcard PKCS11 ICE key gen failure. I'm attempting to create an ICE 256 key on an AES 564 Smartcard and Omikey 3121 card reader, using PKCS11 in Python, using the PKCS11 library. So far, all the standard operations seem to work with regards to asymmetric crypto. I have run plenty of code samples and PKCS11 tool commands to initialize the token, set/change pins, create RSA key pairs, etc. So, the drivers are all functional, PCSCD, XID, PKCS11 middleware. The following code is causing a problem. However, I get an error when running it. The thing is that if I switch the _token line to false, then it works. Of course, by setting that to false, it makes the key a session object instead of a token object, i.e. after I log out, the key is wiped. Using PKCS11 tool with list objects, the key is not there. I can use the ISHMU GUI tool for token admin. I can create an ICE key in the secret key manager and it does create a persistent key. But I have no way to see what the ISHMU is doing to make it persistent. It may not be using PKCS11 at all. If I had to guess the problem, I'd guess that it has to do with the session. If _token equals true is invalid, then it seems the token is not actually in RW mode, as suggested by the CKF_RW_session in the 9th line. So far, I'm not sure what else to try or how to debug this.
Figured it out on my own after a ton of digging through tons of examples. _id is a required attribute if you are going to make a persistent _token equals true object. Not sure how I was supposed to know that, never saw it in any documentation, but indeed it works beautifully after I've added that. This code should work if you have your drivers set up properly. After this, I can log out of the card and see the new object using PKCS11 tool.
Emo, there is nothing you can do about it but contact the producer of Libacus PKCS11.so and ask for an explanation. You will most likely be directed to the documentation which will state that symmetric keys can be created only as a session objects and all operations with such keys are performed in SW, not in the card. This is rather a common practice with most of the commercially available cards and middleware suites. BTW, you can also try to call c_get mechanism info for ckm_ice_key_gen mechanism. and also other AES mechanisms you are planning to use, and check whether the CKF_HW flag is set in the response. This flag indicates whether the mechanism is performed by the device or in the software.